Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this air fryer pork loin, which can be made in the air fryer or the Ninja Foodi, either one. This is a simple recipe to make in just a few minutes. So first let's get started with the ingredients. You are going to need a 1 to 2 pound pork tenderloin, this would be boneless, 2 teaspoons of salt and pepper, seasoning of your choice such as lemon pepper or any type you might prefer, cooking oil spray, grapeseed oil spray works the best for this, and then you can also do brown gravy as well if you want to top the tenderloin with it when you're serving it, so that's also an option. So the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat the air fryer or the Ninja Foodi to 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. You're going to season the pork loin with salt, pepper, or any of the other seasonings of choice. I usually use the Weber's steak seasoning, so I am going to go ahead and season these. The pork tenderloin is going to come in 2 pieces, so you'll see that here as well. And then I'm going to season them with salt and pepper, and then I also use the Weber's steak seasoning. It's very good. They have another good one that's Weber's Gourmet Burgers seasoning. That one is great too, and you can use that for air fryer hamburgers, and those work out really well. So once you get this seasoned, you're going to go ahead and place it into the preheated air fryer, and you just kind of have to rotate it to fit. So I usually make it in like a circle in the air fryer, and that fits pretty well in the basket. And you're going to coat it with the grapeseed oil spray. So you'll just give it a good coat of the grapeseed oil spray, and this will help it get crispy on the outside as well. So then you're going to cook it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. And the internal temperature will need to reach at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit to be considered completely done. So it's not the prettiest thing to look at in the air fryer, but I'm going to check it. So that's what I'm doing here, is just checking it to be sure it reaches the correct temperature. And then I'll go ahead and cut it and serve it. So I'm just cutting it here, and then I'm going to go ahead and serve this. We like to use brown gravy to top it with, but you really don't need any gravy. It comes out super tender and easy to eat. It usually does have a tiny bit of pink in the middle, not much. That's just kind of how it comes out. And then you can go ahead and cut it. We like to cut it in smaller slices, like medallions, I guess is what you could call them. So there it is, all ready to eat and sliced. And it's all ready to go in just about 25 minutes. So this is a great little go-to recipe, super easy to make, and it's also delicious too. So this is how you make an air fryer pork tenderloin or a Ninja Foodi pork tenderloin in your air fryer or your Ninja Foodi. I hope you enjoyed learning to make this recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you do not miss the next recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in today.